Alright, the one method that will cure the uncured disease. This method can be used to cure any disease whatsoever. Alright, please follow me a little. So, you will first run 56 days raw food diet. 56-day raw food diet. The first 28 days. The first 28 days, you take 2 days break to eat anything you want. But for the rest of the days, you eat raw foods like tomato, watermelon, berries, raspberries, blueberries, grapes, grapefruit, oranges, fruits with high water, because the next thing I'm going to tell you about, I don't want you to drink any water unless it's the spring water that you yourself go at the spring and catch. And even so, the fruits water, which is H3O2, which is the real water that makes up 99% of the body, and not the lie of the 70% so-called water they provide to you in bottles, filter machines, or even at your tap water, which is one of the worst poisonous water. Within the raw food diet, the first 28 days you will eat the raw food as how you want to do it. But the last 28 days, you're not gonna eat until 12. That is what, 12 p.m.? Yes, until 12 p.m. So your first meal, you're going to practice an intermediate fast for 28 days. And your life will never, any disease will be wiped away. Worse so, if in between you're taking smoothies with crushed dust like moringa, dandelion, Guinean weed, and so on. For more information and tips like this, check out the Knowledgeable True Virgin Health and Wellness Foundation. Yo, one more in a one video, you know. This is just part one, how to cure the uncured disease. I know, right? Peace and light. Knowledgeable True Virgin. So as I said, any disease you have, this will cure it. Also, it's better to substitute water with jelly water. So if it's for some people who spend their whole life, their whole wealth to try to get back their health in terms of this disease that they said that is uncured, I don't have to call them. Invest the money in getting jelly coconuts yourself that you have chopped and put in huge drum and jugs, and drink that as water for the 58 days. If you really want water for drink, if it's not from the fruits, don't drink it. If nature don't make it, don't drink it. Nothing that is cooked by humans. Also, I want you to understand that this method, the raw food diet, will literally carry you down to the weight that you were made to be. So your cells will naturally start eating the ones that are weak, the ones that are the cells that are packed with acidity. They will all diminish and die, leaving the strong cells. So you will put the body in a resuscitating mood where the body will start replenish itself and go into an immortal state. I'm done. There you go. For the new book that I have called Earth, go on Amazon and you find more information like this. Peace. I'm out. Yes, for daily motivation like these, please check out my new book, Earth. It's on Amazon. See ya. Check it out.